Digital real estate is a term used to describe the online space, where businesses and individuals can purchase, lease, or rent digital property. This digital property can range from websites, domain names, and online applications, to digital products such as ebooks, software, and streaming services. So Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, yep, all digital real estate. Understanding digital real estate is essential for anyone looking to make money online. When it comes to digital real estate, there are two main types of property, owned and leased. Owned digital real estate is when you purchase a domain name or website outright, while leased digital real estate is when you rent or lease a domain name or website from another company. Both types of digital real estate can be used to generate income, but the type of income generated will depend on the type of property you own or lease. When it comes to digital real estate, there are many different ways to make money. You can monetize your digital property by selling products, services, or advertising space. You can also lease your digital property to other businesses or individuals. Understanding digital real estate is essential for anyone looking to make money online and should be a key part of any online business plan. Lesson summary. Digital real estate is the online space where businesses and individuals can purchase, lease, or rent digital property. There are two main types of digital real estate, owned and leased. Understanding digital real estate is essential for anyone looking to make money online. For more information, visit SEOchangemarketing.com.